In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot integration with Google Meet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and install the Google Meet app inside HubSpot, so you can streamline scheduling and video calls without jumping between tools. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account and ideally have permissions to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with admin access to complete the installation. Let's begin from the HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you land after logging in, showing your recent activity and tools. If you're elsewhere in the product, you can always navigate back to home using the main navigation, so we're starting from a familiar place. Next, look for the marketplace icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the top navigation bar. It often looks like a small store or grid icon. Click that to open HubSpot's app options. If you don't see it, your window might be zoomed in or your permissions might be limited. Try adjusting your view or checking with your admin. From the menu that opens, choose HubSpot Marketplace. This takes you into the app marketplace where you can browse and add integrations that expand what HubSpot can do. It's the official catalog, so it's a reliable place to find the Google Meet integration. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar to find what you need. Click into the search field, type Google Meet, and run the search. Keep the phrase simple and spelled correctly so the right listing appears. If nothing shows up, try Meet as a shorter term. When the results appear, select the Google Meet listing. This opens the app's page with an overview, key features, compatibility details, and often screenshots. Take a moment to review the description so you know what functionality you're adding and whether it fits your plan and region. Now, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the standard installation flow. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the app to finish setting up. Don't close the tab while it's processing. If you see a brief spinner or status message, that's normal. If your account requires approval for new apps, you may see a notice indicating that an admin needs to complete the process. Once installation completes, you're all set. The Google Meet integration will be available within HubSpot, making it easier to include Meet links in your scheduling and meetings workflows. If you run into access issues or the button is grayed out, check with your HubSpot admin or confirm your user permissions. That's it. Simple, fast, and ready for your next call.